How do you know what exactly your audience is looking for, especially in SEO? Hey guys, welcome to day 23 of learning digital marketing using AI. Do you know in SEO, FAQ, frequently asked questions, is the most important thing for schema markup or for to answer your audience particular questions. FAQs are one of the most important things. But how do you generate FAQs? Simply copy your article and go to ChatGPT and paste your article and ask ChatGPT, give me top 5 most asked questions related to this article. Boom. ChatGPT will give you top 5 FAQs and you can use it in your blog article or in your main page. If you like it, like this video and don't forget to follow for day 24 of learning digital marketing using AI.